Okay, so this is another strange one, a bit of a niche one. For the Mark II Suzuki Grand Vitara Petrol, in this case it's the 2-litre Petrol, long wheelbase version. Location of the fuel filter, again, very strange place, but it's where they put them, or used to put them in the olden days. Go and find your rear diff. And I'm going to just put my hand under the torch on to show you. So there's your diff, and there it is. And that's the location of your fuel filter. A bit awkward to get to. It may help if you jack the back up, give you easier access to get underneath. And one of the hints that you need to do, or hacks, because it'll be pressurized, it's always best to run your car, get the engine running, and then pull the fuel pump fuse or relay, something like that. Let it run till it stalls. Take your fuel filler cap out of the fuel tank. Some people replace all the pressure that way. But yeah, there it is. Just don't take it off without releasing some of the pressure, otherwise it'll go everywhere. I'm getting too old for this. But yeah, that's where it is. Where your diff tucked away up there. Won't even be able to zoom in. A bit too zoomed in now, isn't it? It's not focus. That's better. There it is. There's your diff. Just there.